This is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2014. Well, I finally got my computer fixed, so I can go back to doing some looking forwards here. As you're getting ready for class tomorrow, I'd like you to read units 75.3, 80.3, and 81.1 of your book. And I'd like you to think about the following situation. Imagine we have stars. Lots and lots of stars, a whole universe filled with them. And imagine that these stars were everywhere. And they're being born at a constant rate because we have these Bok globules, these dark clouds from which stars are formed. Now, if the universe were infinitely big, so there were stars everywhere, if I were sitting in that universe looking, I spy with my little eye, what would I see as I looked out into this infinitely big, infinitely old universe? Compare that to what we actually see when we look outside at night. What does this imply about the assumptions we made here in this infinitely big, infinitely old universe? And what does that mean, therefore, about our universe? That's question number one. Question number two is to remind yourself of what happens if you're listening to cars. It could be listening to cars at a NASCAR race. It could be listening to them as they drive past you on the freeway. But if you're sitting here with your ear and there's a car that's coming at you at really high speed, how does the sound change as it goes past you? Does it stay the same? Or does it change somehow? Imagine what it is that you're hearing. And what does that tell you about the motion of the car? We'll talk about these two things and more when we get together on Wednesday. See you then.